ordered 3 triple espressos, Nescafe. As you can see, triple espresso. We got Uno, we got Dos, and we got Trace. And the thing is, like, I'm out of modafinil right now, which is like a nootropic type of drug. So we're just gonna have to rely solely on caffeine for right now. And we have like 1 more snus left. And that's very unfortunate, especially because it's 4 a.m. And I'm gonna pull that old trick where you just stay up the entire night and the entirety of the next day. That's why I ordered these 3 triple espressos, so that way I'm not gonna sleep now. I'm not gonna sleep until like at least 8 or 9 p.m. So that way the sleep schedule is back in order and I can get back on track, because the goal is to at least be waking up at least at like 6 or 7 a.m. in the morning, and that's just not possible right now. So I'm gonna try to reset it, get things back on track, and that's why we're staying up all night right now. Local Thai girl, Rayong is the place to be. Say hi, they miss you.
Hi.
That's all you guys get after a month of not seeing Kanya.
I'm big. Welcome to Thailand.
Plus I got a 7 with a 454 in the hood. That bitch got 125 on the dash. I'm the biggest boss that you seen thus far. I'm the biggest boss that you seen thus far. I'm the biggest boss that you seen thus far.
I don't get high or drunk anymore. I'm just always wired for some reason. My mindset is too strong. Are you drunk?
Not at all.
What is this, cinnamon flavored? Cherry. Oh, hell no. It's cherry gum.
Something that you gave me is zinc. Something
nicotine.
Like nicotine.
Yeah, nicotine.
Used for rehabbing. Rehab from smoking habit. I saw some.
You just get kind of buzzed.
Oh.
Yeah. Kind of helps you dial in. So like if you get drunk, you pop a snus, and then you're back in the game. Feel back to 100%. First time trying?
Yeah.
Do you feel it yet?
Yeah, I feel a lot better.
A lot better?
Yeah,
exactly. We're in Thailand maxing.
Yeah? Yeah. We play a lot of Thai local songs. So good. Oh my god. Oh my god. Má mi cọc được.
Good makeup
It's
day?
like really good. Like so good. กูอยากไปเต้นที่แบบอะไรนะครับเรียนที่เดียวกันหมดเลยปะเนี่ยไม่ครับคนละที่ครับแต่อยู่ในกรุงเทพ
BU อันนั้นทำงานอันนี้
Do you feel the snus yet? You feel it? You don't feel it?
How feel?
It just feels like pretty good.
Feel refreshing.
I feel.
Not usually. Oh yeah. ไอ้แพทตอนก่อนเคยบอกว่าอะไร He used to.
You do Muay Thai?
Practice. Yeah.
ตึงจัดไอ้เหี้ยขาหน้าตึงจัด
You play basketball?
And guys, believe it or not, we made $200 while we were in the club or the bar, whatever this place is. And it wasn't because I took a sales call in the club. It was because I got something, it was like a payment plan. So, you know, we just got like a payment plan paid for like a few hours ago or a few minutes ago. So like $200 straight in my pocket.
I don't make love, baby, we make magic. Come home with a thug, let's get shit cracking. Always well plastic, baby, cause shit happens. She leave the back seat, just a freak in the Magnum. Hopped out the Magnum, hopped in the tray, just to let the top back and thank God for the day. Who gives a fuck what a hater gotta say? I made a couple $1 million last year dealing weight. Still in the streets, strapped with them things. She in love with a G, so she tatted my name. I'm the biggest boss that you seen thus far. 10 black Maybachs back to back in the lane. I'ma make it rain, then I'ma make it back. You are just a lame.
What's the best place, like what's the best reason someone should come to Thailand?
I think about Pattaya.
Pattaya?
Yeah. If you ride a party. Yeah. If you ride a...
Like the energy.
Yeah. If you want to relax, you want to go Phuket. Yeah. And chill. Yeah.
Very fun. Very like freedom.
Yes.
Enough clubbing for the night. We're basically gonna get dinner because like in Rayong, like I told you guys earlier, I had a bit of a bacteria infection, so I'm not gonna order anything on Grab. We're just gonna find what we can at 7-Eleven and try to max out the nutrition with the processed foods. How do you feel? You drunk?
Tiny bit.
The plan is to go to the gym tomorrow very early, right when they open, go to the sauna, steam room, sweat out all the alcohol, and then go back to Bangkok, go to Malaysia, then come back to Bangkok. 100% health. And then Connie will come to Bangkok as soon as I set up the new place with Jake, Ram, and Abu the Indian. So that'll be fun. You guys can't forget the legendary ham and cheese easy taste sandwich, but it looks like they don't even have it. So we're gonna have to stick with the sausage, or actually the croissant has 22 grams of protein per pouch. So we're gonna snag that and call that a night. So let's go ahead and get it. Bye.
When are you gonna come back here?
Like 2 days?
Are you coming?
Huh?
Are you coming back here?
And or we can just deliver everything.
I will just go with my parents. If you wanna come here with me.
Alright.
Bye.
Love you.
Love you.
See you in a few days. Alright guys, onwards to Bangkok. Bye. Wake up. Guys, we just teleported to Bangkok. We got Ram here. He's like 50% health, but he's gonna let me try a Pablo. How many mg is that?
For the whole pack, it's like 50, but I think per pouch, it's like 20 or 30.
Sheesh. I'll try.
Cheers, brother.
Thank you, bro. You want one as well?
I would join, but the immune system's not feeling so hot today, so.
Yeah. Don't
gonna
start
pass.
it.
Maybe I'll pop a loop.
Alright, bad. I sold 2 Thai guys last night on the snus.
For real?
But it was like not strong, so they didn't get to feel the full experience.
What'd you give them?
Just the black white fox.
Yeah.
The black one. So we're gonna move in with Ram, Jake, and this Indian the next few days. Guys, I'm a pussy. I took it out. I feel it. I'm singing Buddha right now.
He's cooked.
Cooked right now. Woo-hoo. Whoa. Bam. Straight into the bicep. Now we're about to head to Whiskars to meet up with one of our good friends, Chris. And we're gonna take the train there, so let's get on the railroad. How long have you been living here? Like in this building, like 4 months?
4 months, yeah.
How fast has it gone by?
Honestly, it's felt like a year. It's gone pretty slow.
Yeah.
I feel like, I don't know, it's weird.
time is different here than the States.
Exponential.
Like in the States, time goes by like super fast because you're always distracted.
If you guys are looking to travel to Bangkok and you want to navigate through the dangerous, treacherous traffic, the BTS is the best way to do so. There's AC, everyone's chill, no one's gonna stab you like in the UK, and it's like $1, $2 to go from point A to point B. So just a quick tip for you guys. See you guys at the Whiskars. I was on the way out of the train, I just accidentally demolished this Thai guy. Well, he just didn't get out of the way. My backpack just was like an absolute malice of a weapon. Yeah, we just got off the station, super crowded. I'm a giant amongst civilians here. 6'4". Quick little glimpse of the Bangkok streets, a night and day difference compared to Rayong, where it's like nothing like this at all. No towers, no civilians wandering around. Just all Thai guys chilling about. Made it to Whiskars. Chris should be here somewhere. He's ordering food.
Let's fucking go.
So Mr. Chris right here, guys.
Finally made it. Look at the
First sales manager.
What's up, Brian?
About to indulge on the best shisha in Bangkok.
I mean, the last couple of years, but I'm just about to move. Why'd you come here?
I've always wanted to come here, so
You just like showed up.
I just showed up because I came across Ryan on YouTube, and I showed up to the mastermind. And
No way.
Yeah, I went to his first mastermind.
Holy shit.
With my
Congrats,
friend.
Ryan.
Yeah. With my
That's
friend
fucking
Alex.
sick.
So yeah, I'm like a walking testimony for him.
Yeah, literally. Ryan's the god.
Yeah.
Oh my.
No, it's probably like personally. But it's still like, well, if we each had 20 minutes of shisha time, that's still like probably like 50 cigarettes.
Yeah. Ask if it's as bad for you though.
Is it as bad for you?
I think it's all in the mind. I think it's actually good for you. Builds up your lungs, so that way when you're going through Bangkok dealing with the pollution, your lungs are already like weathered for the storm.
There you go.
We just teleported to Malaysia. I'll give you guys a quick room tour real quick before I get back to work. This is the kitchen behind me. Got the living room right here. This is where all the good work is getting done. My girlfriend is currently calling me. And then so I'm playing my cock. Not that type of cock, guys. My Clash of Clans. The big bass. Listen to some music to get back into high frequency state because we did not sleep whatsoever on the way here. Just because my flight was supposed to be at like 9 something, but it turns out it was like 12 something. So a bit of a delay, which led us getting here to, what time is it right now? It is 6:39 a.m., bright and early in the morning, no sleep. We're gonna get the worm before the worm even wakes up. Bedroom's right here, nothing special. I have no idea what this little couch thing is for. And then obviously we got the desk right there. And if we walk this way, I'll show you guys like the separate closet. There's like this closet, and then the closet right here. And then we got the mirror. You know, flex the gains. Whoo, shit, guys. Let's go. Then we got the bathtub right there. Not gonna be partaking in that anytime soon. And then we got the shower, another mirror, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the work guys. Just a quick tour, show you guys around. It's only like $100 for 2 nights, guys. And I'm only staying here like 6 hours. A little bit of waste of money, but I'd rather have this place to, you know, just work a little bit than just like stay at a hotel or like a coffee shop. So hopefully that makes sense. And I will see you guys in a little bit.